Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dejanay Marie. This is Kehlani Beauchamp. This is... What's your name, Naya?
Sue.
Naya, what's your name? Well, anyway, this is my niece Naya. And today we are going to be doing the... What is it called?
Fart spray prank.
The fart spray prank on my mom.
What?
Well, right now we just decided, oh, by the way, I do have a shirt on. But right now we decided to just start the vlog early because she's not out till like 5 and it's like 1 o'clock. So when she gets here, we're gonna act like we're vlogging because my sister's got cheer practice, so I'm gonna act like we're vlogging for the day. We're on the way to the cheer practice. But meanwhile, we're gonna, one of them, I'm gonna give Kehlani or Jaya, probably Kehlani, the spray. And they're gonna spray the fart. But I'm gonna act like, I'm also gonna be acting like my stomach's been hurting all day. So yeah, this should be interesting. See you guys later.
Okay guys, so, she sprayed the fart spray and it does not smell right.
Yeah, I spray the fart spray just to see if it works or if it smells. And it doesn't even have a smell. So that's how I know these YouTubers are fake, because that shit does not stink at all. So now we're trying to come up with another plan on how we're gonna prank my mom.
Or we can get an Uber to Dollar Tree and do the honk if something.
Say hi, Jay.
No plan.
But subscribe to the
Jay and
Beauchamp
the kids.
sisters. Subscribe to the Beauchamp sisters.
We told my dad to say hi to our vlogs. He goes,
I don't know, but we're gonna sit here and figure out what we're gonna do next to prank our mom because yeah, during the cut. Hey y'all, I'm just waking up. Hella sad. Hella later in the day. We're trying to figure out. We're still trying to figure out what prank we're gonna do on my mom. I don't know yet. Nani think I should do a pregnancy prank on mom.
yeah, I was just gonna say that, but you gotta find somebody pregnant.
Yeah, because I don't have enough time to order a fucking last minute pregnancy test. I don't know. We're gonna figure something else out. I don't know.
This is our niece Anaya. Say hi, Naya.
Right now we're currently
And Dollar Tree.
in the dollar store looking for a fart bomb. We got this, but we can't get this without the fart bomb.
And then Anaya is excited because she got her Barbie and her Cheetos.
Why are you farting, Disney?
Oh, where could the fart bombs be? Fart bombs, where are you at? Fart bomb, where are you at?
Fart bomb, fart bomb. Come out, wherever you are.
Dun, dun, dun. But anywho, just a little quick update on what we're doing.
Sorry, I had beans.
And I'm so
I don't
tired
know why
because we
beans.
walked to the store and I don't even want to walk back. But it is what it is, guys. We decided to do the honk prank on my mom. So anyway, we decided to do the honk prank on my mom. Right now, we're currently waiting for her to get home from work. She should be
She's on
here.
her way.
Yeah, she should be here any minute. So usually when she comes home, she uses the bathroom. So if she comes in today and she uses the
Then we have time
bathroom,
to go out there and
we're
take
gonna
it.
run really quick and put the sign back on, like, tape the sign on the back of her car.
But we have to tape it on the top and the bottom because my mom, she kind of drives fast.
Yeah, my mom drives it kind of low. She got a Charger, so she really acting like she a race car driver. So, yeah. So we was right. My mom went to the bathroom, same when she got home. So
Because
right
that's
now,
what mommy always says. Every single time she's fast food and then she'll like, I gotta take a boo-boo. I'm like,
so right now we're putting the sign on the back of the car.
so,
But I gotta go run in the house to make sure
She
she's
put
not
it
coming
on.
to distract her. So.
you should
Oh my god! We were so close, but why couldn't she just put her stuff in the front seat?
Mom, you usually put your stuff in the front.
Oh my gosh. Almost.
You usually put your stuff in the front. Wow, now you want to put it in the trunk.
Because I don't feel like carrying it out at practice.
You don't have to. Leave it in the car.
You could have put it in the trunk when we got to practice.
Well, maybe I don't want people out there to see me put my purse in the trunk.
It's not even a purse. It's a backpack.
Well, that was an epic fail.
Wow.
Oh, well, people are still gonna home.
You left the sign on there?
No.
You took it off?
Yes.
Why would you do that? Right. It's okay because we have some more stuff coming.
So
Well, now she knows.
watch your back.
You don't know what it is.
She don't know what. It's gonna be unexpected stuff that is not on YouTube that we came up in our head.
The one time I put something.
We're about to
on
get
top.
copyrighted because my mom's playing music. We're gonna get copyrighted. We gotta post this on YouTube. We need some content.
Well, not people from the high school. Whoever was cool with him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mommy. Not gonna talk? Who you talking to?
I already told Carter. You know what?
Alright guys. This is the end of our vlog for today. That prank was an epic fail.
Yeah, but in the morning time, I'm gonna wait till she puts her bag inside there and then I'm gonna put it, just stick it back on.
Jaya. Why you look so angry?
Cause she's tired.
Oh, somebody's a little grumpy.
No, what are you doing, Anaya?
What are you doing? Stop. Okay, well, anyway, this is the end of our vlog for my channel. You guys go subscribe to their channels.
Stop.
What is your guys' channel's name?
The Bosham sisters.
Okay, make sure you guys go subscribe to their channel. Make sure you like, comment, and share my video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. That is all for today. Say bye, guys.
Bye.